Did you know that bees make honey not just from the plants in your garden? They get their food from all sorts of plants, even dandelions and fescue. But they prefer certain plants over others, and those plants are the ones with the highest sugar content. Bees collect their pollen from these plants and then bring it back to the hive to make honey. Inside the hive, there's this honeycomb where the bees store their honey. It's made up of these little hexagonal cells, and each cell can hold about a teaspoon of honey. The bees work together to build the honeycomb. They use their bodies to form the shape, and then they use a sticky substance called propolis or bee glue to hold it all together. So once the cells are made, the bees will start to fill them up with honey. They do this by regurgitating it. Yep, they puke it out of their mouths into the cells. Then they fan the honey to help it spread and evaporate some of the water. This makes the honey thicker and less likely to spoil. It takes about 12 million flowers and 800 hours of work to make just 1 kilogram of honey. That's a lot of work for a little honey. But the bees don't make it for us humans. They make it for themselves. It's their way of preserving the plant's sugary nectar for the winter, when there's no flowers left to harvest. But we humans love honey so much that we take it from them. In fact, we take about 400 billion pounds of honey every year. That's why it's important to leave some honey for the bees. They need it to survive. If we want to keep getting that sweet golden goodness, we need to make sure that the bees are okay. So next time you see a bee buzzing around, remember, it's not just a little bee doing its little bee thing. It's a little bee working hard to make sure that it and its friends have enough honey to last the winter. And if you want to learn more about how bees make honey or do other fun science experiments at home, check out the link below. We have a ton of resources there that can help you and your kids learn about the world around you. So go check it out, and happy beekeeping!